Hello my dear students. In this video I'm going to talk about the matrix representation of system of linear equations. For the simplicity purpose, let's consider two linear equations in two variables only. So let's write those equations as a11x1 plus a12x2 is equals to b1 a21x1 plus a22x2 is equals to b2, where x1 and x2 are variables and a11, a12, a21 and a22 are the coefficients of these variables, and b1 and b2 are the constants on the right hand side of these equations. We can always write system of linear equations into the matrix form as the matrix whose entries are the coefficients in this system of linear equations. So the entries of this matrix are a11, a12, a21, a22. This matrix is multiplied by a vector whose entries are these variables x1, x2 is equals to another vector whose entries are the constant numbers on the right hand side of these equations, b1 and b2. When we simplify this matrix equation, we will get this system of linear equations. Let's verify it. Let's multiply these two matrices. This is 2 by 2 matrix. This one is 2 by 1 matrix. So when we multiply them together, we will get a 2 by 1 column matrix whose first entry would be the multiplication of the first row with the first column. So that would be a11 x1 plus a12 x2. And the second entry would be the multiplication of the second row with the first column. So that would be a21 x1 plus a22 x2 is equals to this right hand side column vector or column matrix. Now these two matrices are equal. By the definition of equality of matrices, we know that if two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements must be equal. So in order for these two matrices to be equal, this first entry should be equals to b1 and this entry should be equals to b2. Hence from this matrix equation we get a11 x1 plus a12 x2 is equals to b1 and a21 x1 plus a22 x2 is equals to b2. So you can see that when we simplify this matrix equation, we get same system of linear equations. It means that we can write down any system of linear equations into the matrix form like that. Okay, if I assume that this matrix which is basically the which contains all the elements as the coefficient of this system of linear equation, if I assume that this matrix is represented by the symbol A, and this one which has these variables, basically we try to find the values of these variables. So these are called the solution variables. So we call it a solution vector. Let's assume that this matrix is represented by X, and the matrix on the right hand side which has the constant numbers, this is represented by B. Then this equation can be written as, let's say this can be written as A x is equals to B, where this matrix A is equals to a11 a12 a21 a22, and it is called coefficient matrix. This X is the column matrix x1, x2, and it is called solution vector or solution matrix, and the matrix B is equals to B1, B2. This is called the constant vector. Okay, one more thing which I want to mention here is that if we combine matrix A, the coefficient matrix, and the constant matrix, we get another matrix. That matrix is written as A11, A12, A21, A22, B1, B2. This is a matrix which we obtained by combining the coefficient matrix and the constant vector. Then this matrix is known as augmented matrix. And with these symbols A and B, normally it is denoted by A subscript B. Augmented matrix. Augmented matrix of the given system of linear equations is obtained by joining the coefficient matrix and the constant vector. So we will use this augmented matrix when we try to find the solution of system of linear equations. Just now we saw that we can write down any system of linear equations into the matrix form, and we considered a system of two linear equations in two variables only. Let's extend this concept to the general form of system of m linear equations in n unknowns. So let's write these equations down. A11 x1 plus A12 x2 plus up to the term A1n xn is equals to B1, A21 x1 plus A22 x2 plus A2n xn is equals to B2. Similarly, AM1 x1 plus AM2 x2 AMN xn is equals to Bm. This is the general form of m linear equations in n unknowns or n variables x1, x2, x3 up to xn. We can write down this general form of system of m linear equations in n unknowns as Ax is equals to B, which is the matrix form, as the matrix equation, where this matrix A is called coefficient matrix and it has the entries A11, A12, A1n, A21, A22 up to A2n, AM1, AM2 up to the entry AMN. This matrix X is the column matrix whose entries are x1, x2 up to xn, and the matrix B is the column matrix whose entries are B1, B2 up to Bm, where this matrix is known as coefficient matrix. This matrix is known as solution matrix or solution vector, and this matrix is known as constant matrix or constant vector. The augmented matrix of this general form of system of m linear equations in n unknowns is written as A sub B, which can be obtained by combining the coefficient matrix with the constant vector. So that is written as A11, A12 up to A1n, B1, A21, A22, A2n, B2, AM1, AM2, AMN, BM. This is called augmented matrix. We will use this augmented matrix when we try to find the solution of system of linear equations. If you have any question regarding this video, you can write it into the comment section. I will try my best to resolve your queries. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. Thank you.